Hey guys, it's Gage from the Rough Riders here. Winter Wonderland out here. It warmed up to about 36 degrees. The past couple days we've been frigid, and I mean the highs were only like 10 degrees and we went down to like minus, the lowest we've been is minus 11, and that's not the wind chill, that's the actual temperature. So our highs have been in the single digits for the past couple of weeks, but now it warmed up to the upper 30s. So I decided to get the Outlander out, cleaned it off, and as you can see in the title, we have a problem. And I think it's a major problem because it's what's keeping the thing cool. It's the fan. I don't know if you see it. See it? It's running. Notice it's not running fast. It's like super quiet. I don't know what the problem is. It's been doing this for about 2 days now, so I finally got it out again, cleaned it off, and then the fan worked fine. Like, it worked as fine as it could be. And then it decided to, and it just did this again. So like what it does is it blasts at full speed, and then it slowly winds down. And now you would think, okay, just the battery. Well, it's not, because it starts up right away. Hell, I even put the battery charger on it while running the fan, and the fan was still running low, or like spinning very slowly. So right now it's off. So I'm gonna turn the key on. The engine may have cooled down by now because the high temp light was on, but that was 5 minutes ago, so see if it, yep. Just listen. Hear it winding down. It ain't turning off, it's winding down. Notice how when the fan sat for a little bit, it blasted a little bit and then it winded down. So that's a problem. A major problem that I'm gonna have to fix. And in order to get access to the radiator, some Outlanders just have a door right here that you can just open up. This one, look at this. Gotta take this, basically these bars, I gotta take all this off in order to mess with that. And I just don't want to do it. So I'm probably gonna have to spend a ridiculous amount of money for whoever Motorcycle Max down the corner over here is. They're gonna charge me a ridiculous amount of money to fix it. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. I'm making sure nothing's blocking the blades or anything. I checked the fuses. The fuses are fine. The fuses are fine. Battery's fine. The only thing I can think of is the motor's bad. It's a bad motor. Because you notice when it sits for a little bit, it turns on full blast and then it goes down. So, I think it's the fan motor. The fan motor's probably going bad. Because every time I take this thing out, and look, it's even 36 freaking degrees out, and this thing's overheating. And I've ridden this thing at 80 degrees, and it's never overheated. But that's because the fan is not working. As you can see, it's spinning very slowly. So I'm gonna have to take this thing to the shop. It's gonna be fantastic. But if you guys have any tips, like, you know, if you're an Outlander expert and you have any tips for me, go ahead and comment below if you have any tips on, you know, what the problem would be. I mean, I checked the wires are good. I mean, the connection on the battery is good. You know, I moved that around and it was fine. Battery's good. The fuses are good. All I can think of is the motor's bad. But if you have any other, you know, tips that I can try before spending, you know, a ridiculous amount of money at the shop to get it fixed, comment below. I'll be really appreciated. But other than that, that's going to do it for this video. Sorry for the little bad news. It's Winter Wonderland. I was out there drifting. And fan's bad. So comment below if you know and you have any tips. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Well, we're not quite done yet. So anyway, I haven't got this out in a while. Since the Outlander is not working, fan-wise, it's not working. So I decided to get the Rancher out. I haven't had this thing out since November. So, that was the last time Matt was over, was November. That was the last time I got the Rancher out. So I decided to take it for a spin. And, usually when it's this cold, it takes forever to start. But, it only took me about maybe 2 or 3 tries and it fired right up. Power of the Honda. So anyway, I thought I'd just give a little update. Not much has really happened to this thing. Like I said, it's still making that ticking sound. The oil level's still good, so it's not burning like crazy like it used to. I think the last time, and I could be wrong, the last time I got this thing out is when the Outlander was stuck. I don't know if you guys remember that video. The Outlander was stuck. Turns out I posted that video, a lot later than it was filmed. That was actually filmed on November 17th. So November 17th is when I got stuck, and that was the last time we got the Rancher out, because we got the Rancher out to help pull me out. But, obviously that didn't work. But anyway, so it's just a little update. The Rancher's still running great. Oh, hell, I'll even start it up for you. If I can do it with my gloves. She still sounds great. Still making that ticking sound. But it hasn't really affected the performance at all. This thing runs phenomenal. So that's a little update on the Rancher. Got it out for a little bit since November. That was the last time I've ridden it. So got it out, taking her for a spin in 36-degree weather. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys later.